Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will show the dealer how to add a co-applicant to an application using Dealer Rehash. Using Rehash to add a co-applicant to an application will create a new application in the lender's work queue with the new application number. How to add a co-applicant using Dealer Rehash. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You will be brought to the My Apps page. Note, if you land on the dashboard page, you can click on the house icon to get to the My Apps homepage. A list of applications within the work queue will display. Click on the app number for the application that you would like to add a co-applicant to. This will bring you to the Decision Summary page. Click on the Application tab. You will now see a Rehash subtab and a button on the right that will allow you to create a new application. Click on the Create New App button. An Add Co-Applicant option will display. From the drop-down menu, select whether the co-applicant should be in the primary or secondary position on the application. For this example, we will select the secondary position. The fields for the co-applicant are now open for entering or editing. Please make sure to enter all fields marked with an asterisk, as these are required. Once all information has been entered, click on the Submit as New App button. You will receive a message that the new application has been submitted successfully. The lender will receive the new application in their work queue and update the decision as applicable. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, please contact your lender. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.